What's going on, guys? Jason here, introducing my interactive Tableau dashboard. This dashboard is about the cruise industry, and unfortunately, it is about death within the cruise industry. So I have four visuals here. We have a table of every death that happened since 2013 on a cruise ship. On the top left, we have average cruise prices over time in that same time period. In the bottom right, we have the stock prices over that same period. And finally, in the top right, we have fatality by type. So we have the different types of death that people suffered while on a cruise ship. So most of our interactive features are down at the focal point of the graph, which is in this table. So if I click on 2013, all three of these visuals will change. So the top left and the bottom right will adjust to the year 2013, and the top right, we will only see the deaths that happened in the year 2013. Now we could also extend this if I click on May. Suddenly this is filtered by May 2013, as is this graph, and this stays the same because we can still see the month down here. And also if we click on the ship, this bar chart will get even more specific. On the other way around, we can filter this table based off of type. So if I wanted to see where murders happen, if I worked for the cruise industry, I can click on murder, and suddenly my table is filtered by the ships that suffered a murder. So if I worked for Princess, I might want to check out the Emerald Princess, and here I have the embedded link to the Emerald Princess Wikipedia page. So I can click on it, and I'm taken to the Wikipedia page in all its glory. Thank you for listening.